Hello, third graders. This first reading from your Social Studies Weekly is done by Mrs. Floyd. The title is See It, Want It, and Buy It. So I'll read and you can follow along. Have you ever been excited about buying a new toy or video game? Lots of kids can't wait for new products to be sold in stores. When everyone wants to buy a new toy, the demand is high. What happens to the price of the toy? It never goes on sale, does it? The stores keep charging full price because there are plenty of kids who are willing to buy it. But after a while, newer and better products are for sale. People stop buying the first toy, the product stays on the store shelf, the supply has increased. What happens to the price of the toy now that the demand is not so great? The toy goes on sale. The store wants to move the product off the shelves. So the next time there's a new toy you want to own, wait a while and you might be glad you did. So after this reading, you'll follow the instructions from Mrs. Gallardo to answer your social studies weekly questions. Thank you.